Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about arrays in Swift. So, what are arrays? Collection of data. So, array is a collection of data, and each and every data has same type. So, it's and every data must have the same type. What do I mean by that? So, let's create an array numbers that store numbers, and each and every number will be integer type. Okay, so we write var keyword because for some reason I will tell you that later on. So numbers, let's say 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, what we cannot do is combining types like this. I combine string and integer, I cannot do that, or I cannot even add any other data types. So the only data that it can handle are numbers. If I print it says 1 2 3 4 and 5. We have added it, so it is printing well. Now the other thing to know are arrays are flexible in Swift. Okay, that means we can add more items into the array. So I can say numbers dot append method, and let's say I append 89. After appending 89, let me print to see whether it has added it or not. So it is working fine, added 89. Now to get the size of the array, we use count property. I can say numbers dot count, so it will give me total items or total data in this array. 5 items here, and then 1 I have just added. The other one is indices in array, meaning we can use index to get each and every item. For that I can print the first item. I can say numbers, give me the 0th index value. So what happens here is 0th index we have 1 index we have 2, and so on, right? 0th index value for, like 1 index value, and so on. So size is 6, but we have index starting from 0 till 5. Okay, now what do we know? So how to we can iterate through array using for loop. For number in numbers, I can print the number. I can do that. I run it, and I have printed the value or the values in the array. The last thing is create empty array. For that we can say empty array, big bracket and small bracket, but I also have to specify, okay, it is an empty array, but what is the type? Let's say string. Right now if I print empty array, run it, it says the array is empty. Now I can add a string value to this empty array using append something. After that I print, run it, and it says it has something. Now there is another way to create empty array. Another way to create empty array, that is var empty array 2. The other way is array and the type is string, and this small bracket. That's all you have to know about arrays, and there might be more properties or functions for array. You can, you know, look into it yourself. Thank you for listening.